Hey, so today we will know what are webhooks and how to automate them. So if we check it on Google, what are webhooks? So webhook is an automated message sent between applications when a specific event happens. So it's basically like an automation when let's say there is a CRM, when there is a new deal in that CRM, it should be sent to make.com, so we may add some actions like follow-up message or something like that. So basically webhook in make.com we can directly add the integrations of CRMs. We can also add a webhook as well. So some apps are not directly available here on make.com, but that apps have the webhook option, so we can use that. So if we do that, use that in a practical way like webhooks, and I'm gonna use this one, custom webhook, and I can use a webhook, let's say this one. You can add it, so it's very easy, like clicking save, and this will be here. We can copy the address, hit save, and we can use Postman webhook. So Postman is basically uh, an online site where we can test our webhooks. So I just opened this. Here you can change the webhook URL. So we can remove that and paste that webhook URL that we copied from here. So like copy address to clipboard and paste it here. And here I can add a similar line. So let's say I want text to be, this is Schwab, this is Schwab testing. So this data will be sent to the webhook. So if we want to test it, this automation should be live, or we can hit run once. Let's say I didn't save it yet, so I'm gonna save it, and we will be running this live today. So you can see there is no history right now, and when I hit the button send, it will send the data. Okay, it is saying this. Okay, we have the com error. When I hit this button again, it is accepted, so that means that is gone. Okay, we have the data here, and we can see that this is Schwab testing. So basically this is the webhook. So whenever it triggers, it passes the data to the webhook link, and we can fetch that and add the actions. Now we have the data, we can add the next action. Let's say send that notification on WhatsApp or Gmail or anywhere you want. So this was a short interview of webhook. Please create applications, do some practice, like, subscribe my channel, and watch my next videos. Thank you.